Okay, so one more video here on some additional modifications to help this thing dump. One of the problems with the tailgate, obviously as the material comes out, it ends up on the tailgate. So how can you get the tailgate out of the way easily? What I've done, I took the original pins out. I added some quick release pins. That's a piece of rebar bent. This is something out of a crank somewhere that fits. So that's all you got to do. And it comes up and out, and you can move it around. Now, one of the problems I have when I put it back on, it's really hard to put on with one person, so I cut some bolts, one over here. And these are just the bolt was originally about that long, and I just cut it to that shape and welded it on there right at the bottom. And so the idea is there's one there and there's one over here. And then if you look at the tailgate here, it has a lip. And so the idea is the lip would go down and sit on there, and one person you can set it on there and you can put the pins, and otherwise it's real hard to get it in there. So back up, I'll attempt to show this thing setting on there. So there, it's setting on there now. And now all I gotta do is put the pin in, like so. Back up over here. Normally put the other pin in, but I made one more modification I'm going to show you. Let's take a look at it right here, I guess, to start with. It has this that it uses to lock it here, and then I added a second one here, and I welded a piece here. So what this does is it's a hinge set, so it's going to let it open up. So let me show you that. So I got one pin in there. This pin in, you put this pin in, and I gotta weld this pin to this chain so it doesn't get lost. And then all you gotta do is come over here and release it. Now your tailgate opens up that way. All the material can come right back out. Your dog can jump in, whatever you want to do. It's an easy access for the dog. So that's a real nice benefit, and I should have done that years ago, quite honestly, because it allows easy access to the back of the tailgate, two different directions, whatever you want. Now, how strong is this? It's plenty strong. Let me demonstrate. As you can see, did you see that? Were you looking at me, or were you looking at the trailer? The whole thing. So that's kind of it. The tailgate now that opens in two directions, and real handy, especially for dumping. So I'm real happy with that modification. Next video we will show dumping this thing. Hopefully, I think we're doing ready to see what it looks like in action. As I load it up, we'll try the whole thing in action and show that next. Thank you.